I'm from Kranthi Academy. We are giving coaching for RMS for the last 25 years, and I am a faculty for general knowledge for the last 10 years. So today the RMS exam was conducted, and I have the GK paper with me, and I've come. It is a mixture of hard and easy questions, where many students may easily can score marks above 40. As for I assume that students can score more than 40 marks, maximum students can score, because it is a mixture. Some very simple questions are there, some are little confusing but not so much complicated. So little concentration will easily give you the answer. So now we will start about the questions. The first question, 51st question is, the deepest lake in the world is. Okay, in this you get confused that many students, because in the class also Ullar Lake is very famous, but Ullar Lake is a freshwater lake, but deepest lake is Baikal Lake. Okay. Then the second question is, which of these not part of 5 layers that form Earth's atmosphere? So that is exosphere. This doesn't it is not the part of 5 layers that form the Earth's atmosphere. Usain Bolt, Usain Bolt created a new world record in 100 races. Is a citizen of. So mostly you see people will get confused in USA they will think, but it is actually is a Jamaican. So then the Usain Bolt is a very famous personality whom all are knowing. This is the most simplest question they asked. 54th question is, in which state Malayalam language is spoken? This I think all the students have got rightly. This is Kerala. Then Dash was the first human to go to space. In this also you must have got confused, because many will be thinking of Neil Armstrong, but Neil Armstrong went to moon, first person to go to moon. So it was Yuri Gagarin. Option B was the right answer. Then 56th question, largest producer of coffee in the world. This is very common question, and answer was Brazil. Gateway of India is also most simplest question they have asked. For any Indian it will be very common, because Gateway of India is located in Mumbai. Then which of following is not a schedule? This is only complicated and little tough question, because normally students don't learn scheduled languages and all. So it is Mundari. That is not a scheduled language of India. It is a language but not scheduled language as per Indian government list. On which date Mother's Day is celebrated? So Mother's Day is celebrated on 4th Sunday of every May. Every May, the 4th Sunday, that is the end of the month, Mother's Day is celebrated. Then next question, what it is? Largest continent. The most simplest question. Largest continent in the world is Asia continent, in which India also is located. Okay. Then who was the president of India at the time of emergency in 1975? In 1975 emergency, that time the prime minister was Indira Gandhi. The president was Fakhruddin Ali Ahmad. Then comes, which city is called the Queen of Arabian Sea? So many people here also will be getting confused, because Mumbai option is not there, so they will get confused. So it is Kochi. Okay, then study of universe. Very simple question, you must have been reading it in science also, that is cosmology. Then Dash is father of Indian space program. So who is considered Vikram Sarabhai? Very famous personality, and you all must be knowing. 65th question is a type of mathematical question, which very easily if you multiply you will get the answer. How many seconds are there in an hour? So 3600. Then 66th question, first person to give the idea of the Constitution of India. So here people get confused, students, that they will write B.R. Ambedkar. Most of students will attempt for B.R. Ambedkar, but actually Dr. Ambedkar wrote the Constitution, but the idea to write a Constitution given by M.N. Roy. Okay, who was the president of France during G20 summit, which was held in September 2023 at New Delhi? It was Emmanuel Macron. The France president was Emmanuel Macron. Then 68. On what date the World Population Day is observed? It is 11th May. Okay. Then NRI, very common question, again very simple question. Non-resident Indians. NRI means non-resident Indians. This is also very common. Many times you have heard who was the first woman IPS officer. She was now the governor of Puducherry. So she is Kiran Bedi. State has the largest area of forest cover. So normally hilly areas will be covered with forest. So all these are not hilly. Arunachal Pradesh is the right answer. Some common sense if you use, you will get this answer easily. Then when is the International Yoga Day celebrated? This was recently introduced by Prime Minister Modi only. So it was June 21. Brightest planet in the solar system also, I hope many students who got it right. It was Venus. 74th, Dayanand Saraswati. He was the founder of the which mission? He was the founder of Arya Samaj. Dayanand Saraswati is founder of Arya Samaj. He was a great poet also. What is the capital of India? The most simplest question anyone can score marks is Delhi. Okay. Which among the following in Delhi, India is not located in Golden Quadrilateral Road Network? So Kolkata, Mumbai, New Delhi are located there, whereas Chandigarh is a planned city. It is not located. Head of the government also, very simple question, constitutional question. It is Prime Minister. Ringworm is a disease that is caused by fungus. That is fungal disease. Largest ocean in the world. Again, very simple question. That is Pacific Ocean. Then comes, what is the name of the famous tower in Paris? So Paris, this tower is very well known to all. That is Eiffel Tower. Then what color symbolizes peace? This from in Indian flag. Peace is for white color symbolizes peace. PV Sindhu, very famous player of India. She is associated with which sport? She belongs to Hyderabad only. So Hyderabad students will be very well knowing it. So it is badminton. Gir National Park. Gir National Park is situated in Gujarat. Then cataract is the disease of eyes. Cataract is always affect the eyes. Vitamin K deficiency leads to problem of blood coagulation. Okay, who among the following scientists got 2 Nobel Prize? So remember, read the question carefully. 2 Nobel Prizes, of which one was for peace. So it was Linus Pauling. Then comes, which is the largest civilization in the world? This is also very simple question. Indus Valley civilization is the largest civilization in the world. Name the largest river in the world. It is Nile River. Okay, what is the age of retirement judge of Supreme Court of India? Recently the government increased that from 62 to they made it 65. So 65 years. The science of drawing a map is called cartography. The 91, Ajanta paintings are for Buddhism. So answer is Buddhism, option D. The Lingaraja temple built during the medieval period is located at Bhubaneswar, the capital of Odisha. Now, by which name the main branch of river Ganga is known as in Bangladesh? It is known as Padma. Ganga is called as Padma in Bangladesh. Then comes, Earth rotates along which direction? So Earth will always rotate west to east. Bandipur National Park is located in which state? It is in Karnataka. The name looks as if people will get confused. Should be UP, but it is Karnataka. Agra is situated on the banks of river Yamuna. You must have read about Agra, Taj Mahal passage many times, where it is mentioned Agra is situated on the bank of river Yamuna. Nickname of Rabindranath Tagore. It was Gurudev. It was given by Mahatma Gandhi to him. Okay. The age of tree can be determined by, how you can determine the age of a tree? By counting the annual growth rings of its stem, option D. Dibrugarh is located in which city? Dibrugarh is a very famous city of Assam, option A. Who is the founder of Microsoft? Is Bill Gates. Okay. So with that we conclude. I hope this key is useful to you. Check and so this was the key, and I am very happy and proud that I am a GK teacher of Kranthi Academy, because whatever we taught, 90% of questions have come, and most of our students have done very well, except 1 or 2 students. Most of them, there are only 1 or 2 mistakes they have done. So I am very happy that Kranthi Academy students have excelled in this exam, especially in GK. I am very happy for it, and thank you so much.